Hello, mechanical engineers and technical persons. Welcome to our another new video. Today's topic is shrinking belt for denim textile. This means the rubber belt of the finishing machine. Introduction. The shrink or rubber belt plays a very important role in fabric processing of the sanforizing finishing machine. Therefore, the importance of proper maintenance should be emphasized for optimum performance. Technical display. Here are the important specifications and features of industrial-grade shrink belts used in sanitizing machines for denim textile finishing processes. Physical specifications. Dimensional, inside circumference, 3,962 mm. Usual thickness, 50 and 67 mm. Thickness tolerance, +2 mm, -1 mm without tension on the belt. Width tolerance, +20 mm /-10 mm without tension on the belt. Rubber hardness properties. Nominal hardness, 38 ±3 Shore. Range of hardness, in between 35 to 41 Shore. This specific hardness range ensures proper fabric grip while preventing excessive marking on denim surfaces. Belt tensioning indicators. Clearly visible tensioning marks are embossed at regular intervals along the belt's length, allowing operators to monitor. 1. Belt elongation percentage. 2. Running alignment. 3. Wear patterns. 4. Tension distribution. Note, each belt is marked on the two edges as below. The distance between the two marks is equivalent to 305 mm, initial position for the tensioning of the belt. For new rubber belt, it will be extended 305 mm to 312 mm. This means -7 mm. Temperature specifications. Operating. 1. Heating drum. The recommended temperature range of the heating drum is 120 C to 140 corresponding to a maximum pressure of 2.5 bars. 2. Rubber belt. It is important that the temperature on the rubber belt itself, measured on the area directly in contact with the heating drum, doesn't exceed 90 C to ensure a better protection of these areas against temperature. It is possible to use some wax sold by Trelleborg. Rubber grinding process. It should be ground after producing 500,000 yards. After grinding the rubber belt, this parameter is adjusted from the 0 point. The shrinkage of the rubber does not exceed 25% of the remaining thickness of the belt. Rubber belt maintenance. Preventive. Check regularly the following points: inner and upper side surface aspect. 1. Roughness, wilts, orange peel, finishing or calcareous deposits. 2. Cracks, holes, bubbles. 3. Deformation, corrugations, hollows, depressions, micro tears, plaques. 4. Deterioration, discoloration, yellowing, darkening. 5. Deposits hardness. 1. In and out the working width. Geometry. 1. Flatness. 2. Surface profile. 3. End profile on the edges. Curative. Products to be used for the belt. 1. Scouring powder type Ajax, Vim, Butter. 2. Soft cold water pH 7 at room temperature. For the mechanical components. 1. Pure acetic acid diluted at 50% with water at 20 C. 2. Scotch-Brite or Jex pad. 3. Gasoline F, ethyl acetate or toluene. Remarks. Please take safety for every operation and maintenance. Video demonstrates proper installation procedures, maintenance protocols, and quality control checkpoints for maximizing belt performance and longevity in industrial sanforizing operations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends, it really helps us grow. Keep me in your prayers. See you in the next one. Coming soon.